So we got something a little bit different today. I actually got John behind the camera. I just want to try something different versus just kind of walking around. But it's important to let us know if you guys are liking these type of videos with the walkthrough. So I'm actually out here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15. Cactus is right here north, okay? Just to get to the 15, you are less than, I'm gonna say like 3 minutes away. All your shopping is gonna be right over here next to Southern Highlands. Now, if you head down north, you're gonna hit Blue Diamond. That's all your shopping. So location here is actually on point. We do have an investor that is very interested in one of these models, but there are 3 different models with D.R. Horton. Now you do have the 1795 model, the 1865, and also the 1715. But today we're going to be touring the 1865, and this one has 4 bedrooms, 1 loft, and a total of 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now with D.R. Horton, they're doing a lot of spec building, which means that you can't really customize anything. What you see is what you get. And once they release it for sale, and typically they wait about 3 months till completion, then they'll actually have a price on it. So it's not like you can come here and build, but as you can see, they have the gray pavers here, and your door is going to be here off to the side. Now what you see is basically what's included, and a lot of the homes are all going to be pretty much the same other than the elevation. Okay, it looks like we have a Ring doorbell here. You have a 6'8" on the front entry door. So as we come in, it's a open floor plan that you see. The ceilings here are 8-foot ceilings, and other builders you'll have like upgrades where you can do like 9 or 10-foot ceilings. Now the flooring here, I believe these are tongue and groove vinyl. Okay. Now when I walk into this property, first thing I feel, it's not top quality, but for the price of what you're getting for a starter home, it's great. So the kitchen here, you have a 1-inch front face, you have the Petrofina, you've got the undermounted sink here, and also it looks like they give you the option for the water filter. But I mean, everything here is going to be pretty much stock and standard. This looks like a Moen product. Now typically the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but they like to include that as a part of the sale. Now these are going to just be the standard white shaker cabinets with the side glides here. Whirlpool package appliance. For me, this is going to be like more of like apartment grade. Now the cabinets here are 36 inches. The reason why they do a 36 on an 8-foot ceiling, because if you did 42, you'll have a gap and it just doesn't look right. Let's take a look at the dishwasher. Obviously this is going to be the Whirlpool again. Just pretty much all like stock and standard here. And I noticed like the lot size on here, I think these are like 35 wide, probably about 100 feet deep, which gives you on the setback here. And when I say setback, that means from like the back of the house to the wall. These are about like 15 feet, but the ones that we've been looking at are a little bit smaller. Now these are going to be the vinyl slides that are going to be 6 by 6 feet tall. I mean, you can just see like how short it is. Back here, they're going to give you that pre-wire for your TV, your 1-in-1. And let's take a look at this closet. 2-panel door, smart panel box. Let's see if we can get into the smart panel box, see what's included here. So on this one, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coax cable, but there's really no power over Ethernet whatsoever. But you do have the Smurf tube, which is good. So this is going to be your coat closet. This is just probably extra storage here. So it looks like with the storage, they're using this as a pantry, which is, I'll probably build like more shelves here. Now the texture is going to be the standard texture, very heavy on the orange peel. The reason why certain builders will do heavy on the orange peel is to really hide the blemishes on the walls. And as you can see, we have the 1/2-inch bullnose. Now one thing I do like about this builder is there rocker switches here. I haven't taken off these rocker switches for a while, but you can actually replace these with dimmers And if you're not an electrician, all this does is pops off, and you can just replace this by pulling it in, pulling it out. Looks like we have a digital thermostat. Sunrise is the installer here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Quarter bath, pedestal sink on this one, and just a standard Gerber toilet. So here's the two-car garage. Now, unfortunately, you can't get inside the two-car garage because I want to know if it is a tankless hot water heater or not. That's very important to me. Now, I've noticed like the carpets here are going to be just like standard apartment grade carpets. The pad itself is probably like a 3-pound pad. It's not a very heavy pad on here. But for a starter home out in the Southwest, for the price, it's actually not that bad. So as we come upstairs, here's a loft area. Then all the outlets, or I'm sorry, all the lights, okay, these are all LEDs. But as you can see, we have a single light here in the middle. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind, if you are going to add a ceiling fan, you need to make sure the payload is correct, because when they install these, it may only hold 10 or 15 pounds for that can light here. Sometimes you got to make sure it's reinforced, because if you want to add a ceiling fan could be a little bit heavy. So right here on this side, it looks like our coax cable, so that tells me that we're going to have to put our TV here, our couch here. Now right in back of John, we have the primary, but we'll get into that last. Here we have a second thermostat, so it's probably off of one condenser. Remember, this is a 1,800 square foot home, so we need at least what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5-ton AC unit. So that's something you'd always want to just double check. All right, bedroom number 1. Standard size, I'm going to say it's probably 10 by 11. Small closet here, 2-panel doors. Right above here, these guys are actually doing a transfer grill. I prefer a transfer duct. Bedroom number 2, coax cable, standard baseboards, and you notice this bed, how small the bed is, because you know when they come in and they stage the home, they're trying to make the bedroom appear a lot bigger than it really is. But unfortunately, this is only a 10 by 10. But however, for a rental property or starter home, this is actually perfect. Let's show them the closet here. Standard closet. This one's 2 by 6 on the closet size. Coming into bedroom number 3. Same thing, basically in reverse. Coax cable here, TV here. But man, you put a queen size bed here, there's basically no room. And this closet is a little bit bigger. This is the standard 2 by 8, not the 2 by 6 on the closet. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. So these 3 bedrooms for this bathroom. Unfortunately, they only have one sink here, but then we have the Petrofina 30 or 40 inch on the cabinet. And these ones are the white shaker cabinets with the hand pull. Then we have the toilet here on this side. And tub shower combo. This is the aqua tub. Again, I don't really like this single piece tub shower combo. It just looks very traditional. But again, for the price, you're really just paying for the location. So the laundry room. Oh, extra shelves. Cool, perfect. Now this one, washer and dryer, this is going to be gas. You do have the drain pan, which is a plus. If this ever overflows, there's a drain line that runs out. There's some builders that do not have a drain line. All right, let's take a look at the primary. Primary is a little bit larger. It looks like we have a king size bed, and we probably got like 5 feet on this side. Wow, I'm lying, not 5 feet. What is this? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet here, 4 feet here, 8-foot ceilings. Now, again, we only have one light here. So as large as this room, this light is not enough to supply this room because how dim this light is. Once it starts to spread down, it's probably going to go about 6 feet wide. And the longer that you go, you're going to lose that dimness or that light. So in the primary, again, this one, same conversion as the other bathroom, but you have the 2 sinks. Let's take a look at the toilet here. Very like low on the toilets, man. Okay. Then this is not a tub shower combo, it's just one piece shower. Kind of give you a general idea. I'm about 5'6", but I like to say I'm 5'7", so again, this is your shower. Coming into the closet. Closet's a decent size, but I can tell you, you're probably going to outgrow this closet very quickly. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves here, a couple shoe boxes up here. Now, like I said, you can't spec out the home, but they do have one standing inventory that's going to be completed in February, and they are asking $504,000. Now, this builder seems like they're not really giving out really good incentives, and the reason why is because of the location. Like right now, we're trying to do a deal with them, and we were able to negotiate $7,000 right now, but I'm trying to get more than that. But they do have some financing options, so I do want to share with you. It may not be available at that time, so it's going to be a case-by-case basis, but if you are considering FHA financing or VA financing, they're offering a 5/1 ARM, 3.875%. That's if you qualify, right? Now, keep in mind, that just means that your rate is going to be locked for a certain period of time, then it gets readjusted to the current market value. Now, they also have another financing. This is a 30-year lock, 5.75%, which is, I think, is pretty good in today's market. Now, combining this with the down payment assistant program, you could literally buy this house with 0 down, but there's also going to be closing costs. But if we can negotiate that closing cost, you're only coming in with pennies on the dollar. So now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, let us know about this new video format. Other than that, be blessed. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today.
Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.